Alright guys, welcome to our virtual mentor sentence. We haven't done these in a while and I really was excited to do this one with you guys this week in class. However, we are virtual, so we're going to make this a virtual activity. We're going to be coming back to this Google slide for the next 3 days. I do not want you to do all of it today. I'm going to be posting a new video every day. You're going to be logging back in and you're going to be completing your work for that day. So I'm starting off with day 1. This is our day 1 video. Today's Tuesday, so you're making sure you're doing this on Tuesday, January 26th. We're going to go down to our first slide. Okay, here's our sentence study wall that we're going to be working on. This is the sentence we're going to be analyzing this week. They walked past Freddy's Footwear, Tony's Pizza, and Dot's Deli. I'll read it again. They walked past Freddy's Footwear, Tony's Pizza, and Dot's Deli. Now I want you to label everything on this sentence study wall that I've given you down here. I'm going to zoom in here. And maybe I don't need to go that big. Maybe I need to zoom out a little bit. I want to zoom in a little more. Gotta find there we go. I guess that's good enough. If you scroll down here at the bottom, if you look at these little cutouts, these are similar to what I have on my mentor sentence board already. All of these labels are going to go somewhere on this sentence. So for example, I have comma. I want you to take this label, you can click it, and then you can move it over to where you see a comma. Oops, I just clicked something. Take the comma, click it, move it over to where you see a comma, drop it off. Okay? Proper noun. Take this, move it over to where you think proper noun is at in this sentence. I want you for day 1 just to go through and label all of the things that I have down here on the sentence. Each one of these labels belongs somewhere in this sentence. I did not give you ones you won't use. They're all on here. So I have a past tense verb. I want you to label the past tense verb. Label the commas. I want you to label the 3 proper nouns, the verb, the 3 possessives, and the 3 apostrophes. Some of these might be the same thing. So, example, the apostrophe may also go with the possessive. I want you to label it the best you can. I'm going to give you the correct answers tomorrow once we're on day 2. Okay? But right now we are just on day 1 where you guys are going to be going through and labeling. When you are done labeling, that's all you need to do today. Tomorrow we're going to go through the answers and we're going to be working on discussing why each one of the labels go where they go. All right, guys, that's all I need you to do for me today.